everyone, welcome to our nail art wonderland. In this quick and captivating 3-minute video, we will guide you through creating 6 eye-catching acrylic nail design. Whether you are a seasoned nail artist or just looking to spice up your style, blue and dark red. Dive into elegance with the sophisticated blend of blue and dark red hues. Yellow with sticker design. Add a pop of sunshine to your nails and elevate them with style stickers. Pink and dark gray. Explore a trendy contrast between soft pink and bold dark gray. White and sticker. Achieve a chic and clean look with white nails adorned with charming stickers. Dark red and aqua. Make a bold statement with a striking combination of red and vibrant aqua.